how to use boosters on the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to use boosters on it to help you win the game, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to use the boosters, you need to get them. First of all, now tap onto this lightning icon right here at the top. Tap on it. Now here you can find the Bingo boost just right here. So these are the boosts that you can use. Now get one of these boosts to use it. Now to get it, tap onto free if you got the free one, or you can simply buy it from the gym just like this. Now tap on it. Now you can see you have got the boost. Now tap on to continue. Now here you can find the boost right here. Now tap on it. And it has been now on the use. Now you can play the Bingo Blitz game using the booster. And that's it. This is how you can use boosters on the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.